Well, hello everyone. It's Johnny Briaco, the Soul Pilot, with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. So today we're going to go with some angel cards. See what divine guidance they have for us. What affirmations they have for us. Because that's what we're going to be working with. Positive affirmations with the angels. So close your eyes. Make yourselves comfortable. Hold the intention of connecting with your angels. Allowing yourself to open up to them. Breathing in deeply, letting everything else go. Sensing and feeling the beautiful angels around us with their golden light and their beautiful messages, their beautiful positive affirmations they have for us at this time. See a beautiful angel now spread out her beautiful angel wings. And her first message she has for you today is about centeredness. And she asks you to affirm in your mind or out loud, I breathe deeply to revitalize and recenter myself and move forward with steadiness. So the angels are asking you to center yourself. Take time to process and reassess everything. Get rebalanced. Take time to go within. Take those breaths. Find that place of peace and balance and harmony. And then move forward, knowing that you are supported. See the angels again with their beautiful wings spread out. Powerful staff and anchor for you. How they stand so tall, and they assure you to stand just as tall, just as confident, knowing that you are enough. And their message for you today is one of illumination. And they ask you to affirm, I am confident as I move forward on my path, brightened by the presence of angels. Allow yourself to feel confident. Allow yourself to feel bright and light. Allow yourself to feel that inner light and to shine that inner light bright as you move forward. And know that you are enough, and then you do shine bright, and you light everywhere you go. You light the path for yourself and others. You are illumination. That is what you are. And you have the angels right there with you, helping you to shine your brightest light. Leading by example, and they thank you for leading by example too. Thanking the angels for that message as they bring you one more. And their message for you now is to sing your heart song. They ask you to affirm, I release all limitations and allow my heart to sing its authentic song. So take this time to place your hands over your heart and feel that connection with the love that you are, with your spirit, with your soul, your unique energy that you are. And they ask you to sing your soul song. Be you. Be that loving light that you are, that you came here to be in this world, that you shine in your own unique way, with your own unique gifts, your own unique blessings, and know that you light up the world just by being you. Keep doing that, and the angels thank you for all that you are. And a bonus message they have for us today is one of abundance. And they ask you to affirm, I set a clear intention and open my arms to receive. They ask you to open up your arms. Just like the angels are opening up to us now and we're opening up to them, they ask us to open up even more to abundance. All the abundance within us and around us, all the blessings within us and around us, all the gifts within us and around us. Abundance is everywhere. Let your heart be full of gratitude, grace, appreciation, thankfulness, excitement for all the blessings and gifts that you have had, that you do have, and that you will have. All the blessings, all the beautiful people, all the beautiful circumstances and situations, everything you've been blessed with for your growth and development, let us be grateful and let us give thanks for the abundance to come. Already abundant and even more on the way, overflowing in abundance. We are truly blessed. Thanking the angels for these beautiful affirmations and messages. They ask us to embrace those beautiful messages, to remember to be centered, to shine our brightest light and to illuminate for ourselves and everyone, to sing our heart song, and to be grateful for all our blessings. So we take all those beautiful messages and energies, thanking our guides and angels, bringing all those beautiful energies now back to this time, back to this place, back into your physical body as you slowly come back. Open your eyes, taking all the time you need as you readjust and get ready to start a brand new day and be your own unique self. God bless you, everyone. Have a wonderful day.